What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are again on Bank of America, and I'm gonna be teaching you how to remove a Zelle recipient from Bank of America, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell also. So there are a couple of steps involving on how to remove a Zelle recipient on Bank of America. So of course you need to log into your account, visit the official Bank of America website and log into your banking account. Then look for a section related to Zelle transfers or payments. This should be under transfers or send money or just as a Zelle section. Exit recipient management, find the option that allows you to manage your Zelle recipients or transfers and identify the recipient you want to remove from that list. Remove or delete the recipient. This is an option. There is an option to delete or remove the recipient basically next to the person's name, and basically confirm the decision to remove Zelle recipient. So of course then you can have an option which is navigate to Zelle with an online banking or the mobile banking app. Click settings and then tap on the contacts tab, click on the contact you want to remove, then go to the removing it and basically finish the procedure. So basically guys, that's it on how to remove a Zelle recipient from your Bank of America account. Guys, thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.